Hey EPSCoR researchers, in this webcast I am going to show you how to add people to your project. So actually what I will do is click a project. So this is a project file. You'll see the files. You'll also see the word settings. If you click on that, you can search for a person to add. So I'm going to add my coworker Adrian, who will be joining me, and I will add her as a contributor, which means that she can upload files and edit metadata. The other roles that we have in the research workspace are viewer, which means that you can simply view the project, but you can't do anything else. Contributor, as I just said, you can upload and edit metadata. And then an owner means you can add people, and you can also control the data. So we add Adrian as a person who can make changes to the administration folder. And then an email gets sent to Adrian to let her know that she now has access to a new folder. And you'll see that she's added here as a contributor. If she was a new user who had never used the Research Workspace before, she would receive an introduction to the Research Workspace and some overview on like best practices and also a link to our help documentation. So that's the setting page. You'll see some other things in here. There's this visibility tab. So currently the administration folder for EPSCoR, Fire and Ice campaign, is private. That means that it's not publicly available on the web and you need to have access through, be one of these people who's listed here to be able to see this folder and also access it. So right now it is primarily the leadership team of the Fire and Ice program. You'll see that this is a part of the Fire and Ice campaign, which is a concept we have in the research workspace around like research groups that may be less permanent than a research organization. So we have the NSF EPSCoR organization, which could last longer than the Fire and Ice campaign, if that makes sense. So these are all linked together here. And again, this is how you can add and remove people. So what I want to do is remove Adrian's access. And I do that by clicking that little like crossed out circle sign.